All right, here we are, April 8th, after the eclipse, so I'm still alive. Anyways, just a quick update. We were able to get the Mennonites to help us out with our roof. We're very blessed by that. And here's what they've done so far. They've done this deck. These are walls that are ready to go up. They're already framed, but we're not going to put them up just yet because we're waiting on trusses. And because it gets quite windy up here, it's really not safe to have those up yet. Still got short a little bit of wood here, so we're going to finish this off next time. And this area down here is the living room. It's going to be open all the way up to right about there. And the stairs will be here along this wall. So I'm going to go down the ladder. Okay, so now we're downstairs. 2 days of work. This is the second day, obviously. The first day involved getting this wall up. And this is the main wall to support the roof. And they're bolted together every 2 feet or so with lag bolts. Scrunch them down. And this wall here is the partition wall for the garage. I'm in the kitchen at the moment, and that's where the laundry room will be. The height of these ceilings are going to be approximately 10 feet. And so all this work was done in 2 days, which is amazing. I've been here working with them, and it's been such a huge blessing to be a part of this. Really amazing. So, but first, thank God, because without God, none of this would have been possible. Wow. So, we're waiting on trusses. It's going to be exciting. So I have to get going now because they need to get back. I have to drive them home, which is a pleasure. Tune in next week.